Using Scotiabank Scene Points involves redeeming them for various rewards within the Scene loyalty program. Here's a guide on how to do this. Accumulate Scene Points. Earn Scene Points by using Scotiabank credit cards linked to the Scene loyalty program or by making purchases at the participating retailers. Check Scene Points balance. Log into your Scene account or check your Scotiabank credit card statement to verify your accumulated Scene Points. Visit the Scene Rewards website. Go to the Scene Rewards website or use the Scene mobile app. Browse available rewards. Explore the rewards catalog to see what items or experiences you can redeem using your Scene Points. This may include movie tickets, merchandise, or travel. Select and redeem. Choose the reward you want and follow the steps to redeem your Scene Points. This may involve entering the quantity of points you wish to use and providing additional details. Confirmation and delivery. After successful redemption, you will receive a confirmation, and the reward will be delivered or made available for use. This could include digital vouchers or codes. Enjoy the reward. Use your redeemed Scene Points reward as specified, whether it's for movie tickets, merchandise, or other offerings.